Hi, everybody, and welcome to Math 102, which is Mathematics for Educators, for the summer session. My name is Sarah Torpy. I am going to be your instructor for this session. I wanted to take a few minutes to introduce myself and make sure you knew that there was a real person here, and just sort of lay out some of the important things about this course as we go through this very short semester so that everyone understands what's coming and we know what's happening. First, a little bit about me. I teach this course here at Bucks, as well as Math 105 and some other math courses. My background is math education, which is great for this course. I started my career as a middle school math teacher and went on to coach other teachers at both middle school and elementary school, which means I would go into other people's classrooms and help them do math with their kids better. And from there, I also taught college kids at a wide variety of places like you, here in Pennsylvania and back in New Jersey where we lived before we moved here. A little bit about this course in particular. This course is different. It is not going to be like the other math courses you have taken if you have taken others. It's not going to be like the math you took in high school. This is a very different kind of course. It is a Math for Ed Majors course, and we will talk a lot about teaching math to kids, but remember always that this is a math course first. So there will be parts of this course that are challenging, that are new, that are math you're going to have to struggle with. Just know that that's coming up front and be ready. This course for us is in 6 weeks, so it is going to fly. This is 15 weeks of content into 6 weeks. It's going to be busy, so please bear in mind there is going to be, a fairly significant workload here. Also, this course is particularly special because the hardest stuff we do in this course is right up front in the first 2 chapters. Please know that you will be okay. I have taught this course for a couple of years now, and everybody gets into chapter 2 and sort of takes a collective, like, holy moly breath. You will get through it. We will work through this together. It's a little different because this is summer session. It is going to continue to go and go and go. But you do need to be aware that chapter 1 and chapter 2 are the hardest chapters we deal with for the most part. Once we get about midway through chapter 3, everybody goes, oh, this feels familiar. Okay. And we're in a better place. But please understand the first 2 weeks in particular are challenging. Let me look at my notes. So some expectations. My expectations of you in this course are that you will participate. You will get your work done. You will get your work done on time. You will be active in the discussions each week. You will ask questions. I am available on Canvas message, on email, on Canvas chat at the scheduled times. I answer things. So please, 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 if you have a question, you need to ask. Remember that this is a college course. You are the one who is responsible for your learning here. I am here to help you. I'm here to teach and help you learn the things that are new, but I cannot do it for you. The learning is your responsibility. So please remember that getting the work done and doing those pieces are a part of the responsibility you have as a learner. I'm happy to help. As you have questions, please ask. And please also, if you find yourself really struggling, ask right away, okay? The longer you wait, this is not a very long session, the scarier it gets. Let's see. Oh, so we did talk a little bit about the summer session being shorter and the fact that, we're going to press a lot into each week. The other thing you should be aware of as you walk into this orientation module, we are going to talk about 2 important things. The first is My Math Lab, which is the tool that we use in this course for you to do homework assignments. You need to start that access like today. If you don't have your My Math Lab code today, and you probably don't, My Math Lab starts with 15-day, I think, trial access. That account should get open today. Please follow the instructions in the Start Here module to get that finished. We have assignments that are due this week in My Math Lab. Please make sure you're in there and you're ready to work so that you are not behind right from the outset. The other thing that I need to mention here is that all of our tests, 2 tests and a final, have to be taken in a proctored setting. You will read more about what that means shortly in the Start Here module. However, please be advised, if you are going to take advantage of alternate proctoring centers, so you're not going to take the tests at Bucks, those have to be approved by the college first, and that has to be done by the end of this week. So if that is something you are going to do, you have to get right on it. Otherwise, you do need to tell me which testing center you'll be going to at Bucks. We'll deal with that shortly. So from here, please carry on with the Start Here module. As you have questions, please ask. I look forward to working together. I look forward to hearing your questions. I look forward to reading your work and working through this all together. All will be well. I have faith in you guys. Let's go do some math.